नंबर आना है, अगर कुछ शक्ति है तो नंबर आ जाएगा। मैं आपके सामने था, आज भी मैं लेट होगी थोड़ी, मुझे में ना कुछ तो है, कुछ तो सी मैंने सुबह का मैसेज देखा वो। अब मुझे एक डाउट है, आज के लिए मैसेजेस ये कुछ किसी और को इंडिकेशन करके कुछ कर रहे थे। अगर ये सभी ड्रामा है, अगर कौन खेल रहे हैं ना उसको पावरफुल उसको ही मिलेगी। सच्चाई के रास्ते हमेशा सीधा है। ओके, गेम प्ले करने वाले लोगों को ना ऐसा करके आदत तो बढ़ गई, इसलिए ना वो लोग पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं, कुछ भी नहीं। इतना वो मौका कुछ ब्लेसिंग सभी मिला तो भी कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रही है, सभी ऐसा हो रही है। ओके, तो होना चाहिए देन I don't know, serious thing. So, actually, I talked to some people and I got some understanding something and some drama. Actually, see, you need to understand one thing. These fellows all are playing something, planning something. That is not actually with a clear-cut indication only they are doing these all things. You will be thinking that you are wasting all things. Actually, that is when in prostitute centers also what that prostitutes will do, they will do all the dramas and all the chakras and will put the clients in the soulful, peaceful connection. That is what that nice offering. Okay, so that don't get overwhelmed. Actually, things that people should understand their. It's like I am telling about this again, and I'm seeing the drama. And the things actually this is because of this dramas only this all mockers. I used to feel very bad if people are going and telling the same things, repeating it in all the campaigns. So the news, what are the things we could have told? Actually it's that is what India बोले उस दिन भी मैंने that's what people now the respect. This is don't think about your respect about yourself alone. This is applicable to leaders also. Everybody is worried about the respect it for them, and they are not bothering about how other people, how much respect people are giving to the other people person and their actually you are putting the so foods and don't give dialogues in this is what project that you are the superior in some superstar. It's not like that. Learn to respect the people and ego mind. See, just think that you people have identities with your this thing, these families, these all things. So I alone I got this much and with my hard work. Okay, what of throughout these all doubles are trying to pull my leg everything and okay. And see this I am feeling by touching the Shiva. This Shivaling only Narmadeshwara. This is the still Shivaling actually. कल के नहीं बोल रहे देखो, ये सब कुछ जो लोग हो रही है वो सब कुछ आपका भलाई के लिए नहीं है। वो आप कुछ भी करो वो आपको पीछे हटाने के लिए। आपका ना जून 4/90 को आपको 54 उम्र हो जाए उसके बाद आपका हाल क्या होगा आपको पता नहीं है। ये सभी ना माया ड्रामा से जब मैं क्यों कर रही है ना, मुझे मेरा मन में शांति मिल रही है। आपको जो सारा मुझे सब कुछ आपको चाहिए। सो आई यूज्ड टू फील वेरी मच बैड बाय reading this thing. I never played or even this last Sunday also I didn't play or nothing. Truthful, you are truthful. I am also telling you that actually see we both are not the players playing actually. That's the thing. You are also trying your best, but the thing na see by understanding the situation you could have done more. You are not. That's the reason you are getting excited by when these fellows keeping you overwhelmed. You are getting excited and getting attracted to the. I just want getting angry not where you are. I am feeling to sleep here. Where you were not. आदत से ज़्यादा ही हो गया ना, so they will not things I wondered that our Shakti should be in such a way. So then they will explain and they suddenly get into run. Actually they everything would have that way you know. That's also but that maybe want it should be in that way. So then all so many things are there, right? So that's why the God is giving you an opportunity like that. So don't see there should passion in the some makeup cry anybody there is I don't know what is of you don't want to I have so many other things to do also. Actually Yesterday I did today again my food things and all got again changed at the reason for yesterday I didn't even sleep. Yesterday you were also awake. I don't know. Yesterday I don't know. So many things happen. And don't play with the things and don't get excited that see this clear cut trap and some people's message, some people's indication. I know that it's a clear cut. Everybody's the many people were threatening me also. You are not that innocent that you won't even drink the water or the chewing like that. And then they people are planning something, so they will put you that you will not be able to come from there. That is the thing. So think before acting and getting excited with the things. I never played so then whenever then I think another folks message and all there, when it is not coming and all like that. But this you should understand that is every day I am getting insulted and one day it's coming in like that and all at that time there should be proper indications and all. You do not know the securities will block me everywhere and so many things are there. I don't know. I feel that there is feeling not there is lots of cold. Actually, I'm feeling the lie here only. You also come and sit here. Okay? Just think that we were in Kashi, na? We both were in the feelings. That your face, I still remember that. Then outside, then I actually at the day KCV and all said to get married there. I wanted to tell, but I did not feel to tell by seeing your face. That's it. Then after coming outside, there was also that the police only said to me, go and talk like that. And then I came and hold your hand, right? So then outside, that Supriya was eagerly waiting to block me. So you have everybody. So just go to the floor. I don't know. That's the thing I was keeping going when this fellow skeptical man came. I thought, I was. I don't know, it's like a piece. It's in your nearby own place only where you are going every day. Here is some specialities. That's what I wanted to bring you here. That's the reason I was trying you many things. There are so many other things waiting for you here, and you will never understand these things. These things. I don't know. Okay. But don't get into the attractions or Maya Chakra. People have come out from. That will not. Jivani. That will not give any peace or what you are thinking about the peace and all that is temporary. That and all not shashador with the blood and so just imagine that. I know that at that way these adults have taken people in the UK. I know that there is grand offers and now I came to know that Priyankaji and all they have that flats and I know that what are the previously itself I know that there is so much a grand offer for that only to few people there, and you just understand that and my 23 years of hard work for that we all fellows blood-seeking fellows are taking the offers, and how much my everything, my home, even these fellows are demolished everything, and none of you fellows will last or will not achieve anything also with this, and this all thing will be everybody's for our damage only. That's the thing. That's what everything has a truth. And this Pushpak, I know that what it is. He himself is not doing that. His psychic disorder, Janmam, he's like that. That's the reason he's doing. And anyway, don't think that the people will come so over smart like this and that. That's not the way. And everything has a tariq, and that he knows is watching everything, every activities. I know that I was scolding you so much, and because there is a reasons because no other way to what will everywhere it is blocking everything, and then your messages also your voice under the screwing up and how you are getting tempted. I feel ashamed. There should be some so for what election when you what she offered no you should compare it. I don't know. I feel to sleep here in my shell. Look. how peaceful it is. You come and put your head like this here and this. You'll get absolute peace. That's all the way you should. There is a place we have to go for the absolute peace. And not like see, you just think that how many prostitutes and you have used to how much they might be treated. She this and this country reading after reading all the messages she is acting and producing this and that's actually it's a person's view and a person how they are frequently habituated to switch around and all that. Now for that people it's like that. Okay, I don't know. Anyway, okay, I'm waiting. Whatever.